Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
To replace filter 4, locate your water filter cover in the upper right-hand corner of your refrigerator interior. If the filter tab in your refrigerator is facing outward, push on it and pull the cover down. Turn the filter to the left and pull. Discard the old filter. If this is the first time installation, you'll find a cap inside the filter slot. Turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. To insert the new filter into the slot, line it up with the grooves, push in and turn it to the right. Push up on the filter to lock in place. Push the filter door up so that it snaps closed. Once your filter is replaced, run 4 gallons of water through the line to properly flush the new filter.